Hello beautiful people, hopefully you're doing fine wherever you are around the planet. This is a brand new video guys, and today I'll be showing you how you can start earning up to $14 per hour working on Appen project. And first of all, what is Appen? Appen is a very legitimate worldwide company guys. In fact, it's a global leader in the development of high quality human annotated training data for machine learning and artificial intelligence, and they have been around since 1996. They pay on time, 15th of each and every month they just pay. And above all guys, I want you to know that before I decide to work on my own business on a full-time basis, I was working for Appen. So I'll be showing you my income proof so that you will see that they pay on time. In case you're looking for an online opportunity, or maybe you've been looking for a way to start your own business online but you don't have a capital to get started, this may be a great opportunity for you, because you may just apply and work on this project and then start your own business online on a part-time basis. Then after some month, your business will be able to generate money that may be able to sustain your bills, to pay your bills and everything, and then you'll be able to go full-time with your own business and then enjoy the freedom to have your own business online. In case it's your first time on this channel, I'm very happy to welcome you to my YouTube family. My name is Armstrong Wil, and I make videos on how to make money online, how to start a business online, and how to create a life of freedom in general. So I definitely invite you to join the family by clicking the subscribe button below and by clicking the bell icon so that you'll be the first one to get a notification whenever I come up with a brand new video. With that being said, if you want to know my number one recommendation to start a business online, be sure to go to the first link in the description below, and then the link is gonna take you to my website, ways-to-get-extra-cash.com, and then sign up for my email course that I'm actually giving for free for now, and then you will get my 5-day email course that will teach you exactly how you can get started online step by step. So let's get started with our video guys. The number one thing you need to know about this opportunity guys is that Appen pay through Pioneer. There is no other way you're going to be getting paid if you know you're gonna work at Appen project. You will need to create a Pioneer account, because Appen pay through Pioneer, but it's pretty simple and easy to open an account with Pioneer, and it's free. I'll be leaving you a link in the description below. It's gonna be the third link. Actually, it's gonna be the third link. It will take you to Pioneer, where you can easily create an account for free. Let me go ahead and show you my Pioneer account, as I stated on my thumbnail, to show you my income proof, to guarantee you that they'll be paying you through Pioneer. Here is my Pioneer account. As you can see, this is my name, Armstrong Wil I'm. Yeah, my official name is not Armstrong Wil, but it's Armstrong Wil I'm, as you can see on my ID. I hope you can see. I'm Armstrong Wil I'm, and this is my Pioneer account. So you can see that I have a balance of 1.17 USD. I will make a transaction with this one, but let me show you exactly the transactions I've been making through the years guys. Okay, you can easily see that Appen have been paying me through Pioneer guys. You see I've been making transactions. You see this is my local Kenyan bank account, as you can see, and this is my my Burundian local bank account. I've been making transactions, as you can see. So Appen really pay on time. I hope you have no doubt. Once you've created your Pioneer account, you'll need to connect it with your local bank account, because there is no way you're going to withdraw your money without connecting your local bank account with Pioneer. So let me go ahead and make a transaction. You just go to withdraw to bank account. After you've connected your local bank account to Pioneer, it actually takes 3 business days before they approve your account, and then after that you're ready to make all transactions you may wish to make with your account. Once you're here, you just click on the amount you want to use to make your transaction. After clicking on the amount, you see that there is an option to select a bank account that you wish to make that specific transaction. For my case, let me just choose the KCB Bank Kenya. Yeah, this one. This cooperative, KCB Bank Burundi. Let me just make a transaction to this one, KCB Bank Kenya. Okay, and then you see that you can make a transaction between $50 and $10,000. Let me just write this amount that I have here. It is 117, and then after that we'll just click on review, because a description is optional. I'm not gonna add this description. I'll just click on review, and then after this you just confirm that you want to withdraw this money. You see, you just click on you just highlight this box and then you click on withdraw. You see, this is a notification that is showing me that I was able to make this transaction. So now I'll be able to go and withdraw my money through my local bank account. It's pretty simple. As you can see, now I have zero balance. I don't have no balance here on my Pioneer account. So let me go ahead and show you how you can apply and then work on a pen project, guys. So the number one thing you need to do, you just find the link in the description below. It's actually the second link, or you can just go straight to appen.com, guys. Just go to appen.com. Appen.com. And then once you're here, just scroll down, and then click here on career. As you can see here, they have a lot of they have different positions here. You can be a rater, you can be a linguist, but they have language jobs, micro tasks, corporate jobs. But what I've been doing, doing these rating jobs as a social media evaluator. I highly recommend you to go for the first one, guys, the rater's position, because this one is pretty simple. It's just social media evaluation. You know, you just collect data from the search engines. It's pretty simple, but still you can go for these other positions if you know you have the required skills. So after clicking on apply, you're going to find yourself on this page, guys, where you have to fill out some data. You know, what is your primary language, what is the dialect and all that, the languages you speak, the spoken fluency, the written fluency of the languages you speak, and all that. And after filling out this small form, you just click on next. And after that, guys, you go ahead and complete this information, this contact information. You fill out your email, your names, you create a password. They also ask you if you're interested in social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter. If you have the account, you also have to add those accounts, because they just want to see if you're really active on those social media platforms, because mostly you just analyze data from those social media platforms. Another thing you need to do, you need to write a CV, a resume, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. All you need to do, you simply need to go to Google and then typing a social media evaluator resume sample, or web search evaluation resume sample, you know, and then you're going to get a sample, a CV sample like this one. You see, edit this resume and then make it yours, you know. And then after you're done editing this CV, you just save it in your computer in a PDF or in a simple file, because you need it once you applying. It's going to be available on your Appen profile, because they usually call people once the opportunities are available. I'm not gonna fill this information because I already have a profile in Appen. I told you that I've been working with this company for a very long time, but for you, just fill out these things. Just write your name, your last name, address, you know. It's pretty simple. Your email address, create a password, and then you're also going to write your phone number, because sometimes they do call you and then you're going to upload the CV over here. You see, attach your business profile or your resume here. You just click here, and then you're going to look for your CV. For my case, this is my CV. You just click here and then open. You see the CV is already here, and then fill out your education, the level and all that. You just answer all of these questions, and then you submit your application. This is how simple it is, guys. After submitting that application, you will have a profile in Appen, and then after submitting your application, you will receive an automated email into your email box that will show you that you have successfully submitted your application. And that's all. After a few days, you will receive an email proposing you to participate in different opportunities, and they usually have a lot of opportunities. You can also visit their job listings each and every day, because they usually have opportunities. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. It's gonna be the second link, guys. You may be using that link to visit their job listing to see if you're interested in one or another opportunity on that specific website. That's how you can apply for this opportunity, guys. It's pretty simple. Just go ahead and apply, and after submitting your application, you're going to receive an automated notification that will show you that you have successfully submitted your application. That's when you be sure that you have submitted your application the right way. After some few days, they will send you an email, and then once they send you an email, you'll go through some tests depending on the project you're going to work on. It's a very big company. They have a lot of projects, so it will really depend on the project you're going to work on. And then, guys, I want you to understand that the payment depends on where you are located. If you're in the United States, Canada, or Europe, where the cost of living is pretty high, you get between $11 and $14 per hour. But if you in countries where the cost of living is low, in some African countries like Kenya, Rwanda, Nigeria, and other countries, you may get between $5 and $8 per hour. So it will definitely depend on your country. That's the reason why you have to fill out all this information so that they can know how they're going to rate you. They will also ask you how much money you would like to get paid per hour. If you set a very high pay rate, they may not be interested in you. But if you pay a low pay rate as well, they may feel like you don't know what you do, right? You just need to balance. Just go online, do some research depending on your area. If you're from South Africa or other country, just go online and then Google how much they pay in that specific country, the pay rate in Appen in that specific country. That way you'll be able to know how much you're going to write, because they're going to ask you when you're filling out this form. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching to the end. If you like this video, be sure to give me the thumbs up, like this video, and I'll be happy, guys. I'll be grateful. And in case you have something to ask, maybe you're confused on one thing or another, be sure to ask me through the comment area below, and I'll answer and I'll get back to you immediately. And if you haven't joined my YouTube family yet, be sure to join by clicking the subscribe button below right now, and by clicking the bell icon so that I'll be able to send you a notification whenever I come up with a new opportunity. And remember, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Take action.